Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Click to subscribe Believing Beings and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.
Inshallah. That's in Arabic and Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and servant of Allah. Inshallah, and inshallah, can be done and the best in this world as well as akhirah. Inshallah. That anyone who accepts, any non-Muslim accepts Islam, whatever sin he did in the past will be forgiven, and the greater sins he did, the greater positive points he will get when he accepts Islam. So I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus and may He give you the best in this world and the hereafter. Actually, yesterday evening, my wife forwarded the video. Brother Joseph is a YouTuber, and he's a YouTuber and he makes videos giving comments on what I heard from his speech on the YouTube. Then he tried to first learn about Islam, what about false in Islam, and then he saw the videos of mine and other speakers like Sheikh Didat, and he started giving his comments. And 1 year, while giving comments, his knowledge increased, and mashallah, he said he wanted to come to Qatar, and I did not know, I just tried on the email when he came to know he's in Qatar. Mashallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give him the best in this world and the akhirah, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make him a dariya, make him a catalyst in spreading the deen to the other non-Muslims. Inshallah. And with the Joseph, you can continue with the name Joseph, or if you want to give an Islamic name, the equivalent of Joseph is Yusuf, which is also the name of one of the Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. So, if you feel you can continue with the name Joseph, that's also the same name, but if you want an Arabic name, so you can call yourself Yusuf. And inshallah, pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He make you the catalyst in giving hidayah, guidance to your family members, to your friends, and all over the world, inshallah. MashaAllah.